We receive messages almost every single day from people asking how we create our cinematic AI music videos. Some people think you need an expensive studio, professional editing software, or a huge production team to create videos like this. But honestly, that's no longer true anymore. Today, AI tools have completely changed the creative process. With the right workflow and the right tools, almost anyone can create cinematic music videos directly from their computer. So in this video, we're going to show you the 5 main AI tools we personally use to create our music videos from start to finish. We'll explain what each tool does, why we use it, and how they all work together inside our creative workflow. And make sure to watch until the end, because the final step is actually the most important part of the entire process. This is where everything finally comes together and transforms from random AI generations into a real cinematic music video. You really don't need much more than these tools to start creating your own AI music videos today. So let's begin with the most important thing of all, the music itself. Tool number 1. Suno AI. Everything starts with the song, before visuals, effects, editing, or animations. You first need emotion, atmosphere, and energy. And that's where Suno AI comes in. Suno AI allows you to generate complete songs using AI. You can create different genres, moods, emotional styles, cinematic tracks, vocals, instrumentals, and even experimental sounds, just by describing what you want. Usually, when we start a project, we already have a certain vibe or feeling in mind. Sometimes we want something emotional and cinematic. Other times, we want darker cyberpunk energy, or even cultural and nostalgic sounds. We use prompts to guide Suno into creating the atmosphere we're looking for. One of the most powerful things about Suno is speed. Instead of spending days creating music from scratch, you can experiment with multiple ideas very quickly. We often generate several versions before choosing the final direction of the song. And honestly, sometimes the AI surprises us completely with ideas we wouldn't have thought of ourselves. Once we find the right track, we usually download the song and start building the visual world around it. Because at the end of the day, the music becomes the emotional foundation of the entire video. Without a strong song, even the best visuals won't feel powerful. And once we have the music ready, the next step is bringing those sounds to life visually. Tool number 2. Freebeat AI. This is where things start becoming really interesting. Freebeat AI is one of the main tools we use to turn music into actual visual experiences. What makes it unique is that it analyzes the rhythm, energy, structure, and emotional flow of the song to help generate synchronized visuals and music video concepts. Instead of manually planning every single shot, Freebeat can help automate large parts of the creative process. Usually, we upload our track into Freebeat and begin experimenting with different visual styles. Sometimes we go for cinematic realism, other times for abstract visuals, dark fantasy, futuristic cyberpunk, or emotional storytelling. What we really like about Freebeat is that it understands music pacing surprisingly well. It can generate visuals that feel connected to the beat and emotional energy of the song. And this is important because rhythm and pacing are everything in music videos. Another thing we use a lot is the ability to experiment quickly. Instead of spending hours rendering complicated edits manually, we can test multiple visual directions in a short amount of time. Of course, not every generation is perfect. Sometimes AI creates weird transitions, strange characters, or scenes that don't fit the vibe at all. But honestly, that's part of the process. We usually generate multiple versions, select the strongest scenes, and build from there. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is expecting AI to create a perfect final video in one click. The real creative process comes from selecting, refining, combining, and shaping the AI output into something cinematic. And one quick tip before you get started. If you're serious about consistently creating AI music videos, especially with tools like Freebeat AI, it's worth considering a yearly subscription instead of paying month to month. Usually, the yearly plans give you much better value, more features, and bigger overall savings in the long run. And if you're planning to create content consistently and really improve your workflow over time, the yearly option often becomes the smarter and more affordable choice. We personally believe that consistency is one of the biggest keys to growing as a creator. The more you experiment, create, and upload, the better your results become over time. And once we have the visual concepts and scenes ready, we move into one of the most powerful cinematic tools in our workflow. Tool number 3, Kling AI. Kling AI is where we create many of our cinematic moving visuals and animated sequences. This tool has become extremely popular recently because the motion quality can look incredibly realistic and cinematic compared to many other AI video generators. What we love about Kling is that it allows us to create movement, atmosphere, camera motion, and cinematic energy that feels much more alive. For example, instead of creating static images, Kling helps generate scenes where characters move naturally, environments feel dynamic, lighting changes realistically, and camera movements create emotional impact. This is where our videos really start feeling like actual music videos, instead of simple AI slideshows. Usually, we experiment with different prompts, cinematic descriptions, camera angles, lighting styles, and emotional directions until we find visuals that match the music perfectly. And honestly, prompt writing itself becomes an art form over time. The more specific and cinematic your prompts become, the better your results usually are. We also spend a lot of time testing different aesthetics. Sometimes a realistic style works best. Other times, we intentionally go for surreal, dreamlike, or abstract visuals to create a stronger emotional atmosphere. And just like with any creative process, a lot of experimentation is involved. Some generations look incredible immediately, others fail completely. But even failed generations sometimes inspire new creative ideas. The key is not rushing the process. And if you enjoy this type of cinematic AI content and want to stay updated with our latest music videos, creative workflows, and upcoming productions, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We're constantly experimenting with new AI tools, new visual styles, and new cinematic ideas, and we'll continue sharing more behind-the-scenes content and productions in future videos. Once we have enough strong cinematic scenes generated, we then move into storytelling, narration, and voice design. Tool number 4, ChatGPT. A lot of people underestimate how useful ChatGPT actually is inside the creative process. Most people think it's only for writing text, but honestly, we use it constantly while creating music videos. We use ChatGPT for brainstorming concepts, generating story ideas, writing lyrics, creating visual prompts, building emotional themes, scene ideas, cinematic directions, and even helping structure the overall narrative of a video. Sometimes we already have music, but no visual story yet. In those situations, We use ChatGPT to help expand the world around the song. For example, we might ask for cinematic scene ideas, emotional storytelling directions, symbolic imagery, or even entire visual concepts inspired by the mood of the track. It's also incredibly useful for organizing ideas when creative projects become complicated. One thing we learned over time is that AI tools work best when they work together. ChatGPT helps shape the creative direction, while tools like Freebeat and Kling help visualize those ideas. Creativity today is becoming less about doing every technical task manually, and more about directing powerful AI systems creatively. The human vision still matters most. AI simply helps accelerate the process. And once all the visuals, scenes, and concepts are ready, we move into the final stage, where everything finally comes together. Tool number 5. CapCut. CapCut is where we combine everything into the final cinematic music video. And honestly, this is probably the most important stage of the entire process, because this is where random AI generations finally transform into a real cinematic experience. Editing controls the pacing, emotional impact, transitions, rhythm, and overall cinematic feeling of the final video. Even amazing AI visuals can feel boring if the editing is weak. Inside CapCut, we synchronize visuals to the music, adjust timing, build transitions, add effects, create pacing changes, and shape the emotional flow of the video. A lot of cinematic feeling actually comes from editing rhythm. For example, fast cuts can create energy and intensity, while slower transitions create emotional atmosphere and tension. We also spend a lot of time selecting only the strongest AI generations. You don't need every generated clip inside the final video. Sometimes, less is more. Another thing we focus on heavily is visual consistency. AI tools can generate very different styles, so editing helps unify everything into one cohesive experience. This is where your own artistic taste becomes most important, because two people can use the exact same AI tools and still create completely different results, depending on their editing decisions, music sense, pacing, storytelling, and creative vision. That's why we always say, the tools themselves are only part of the process. The creator behind the tools still matters most. So those are the 5 main tools we use to create our cinematic AI music videos. Suno AI for music generation. Freebeat AI for music video creation and visual concepts. Kling AI for cinematic visuals and motion. ChatGPT for storytelling, prompts, and creative direction. And CapCut for editing and bringing everything together. With just these tools and enough creativity, you can already start building your own cinematic AI videos today. AI is changing the creative world incredibly fast, and we truly believe this is only the beginning. We've added all the tools we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Through our links, you can also get discounts and special offers on most of these AI tools. So definitely check them out. If you want to start creating your own cinematic music videos, these are the exact tools we personally use inside our workflow. And honestly, they've completely changed the way we create content. And we're actually really curious. Have any of you already started creating AI music videos yourselves? Or are you planning to start after watching this video? Let us know down in the comments below, because it would be amazing to see creators in our community connect with each other, share ideas, and inspire one another. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more AI music, video breakdowns, cinematic workflows, and behind-the-scenes content, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.